depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Well, alam ko naman na pamilyar na kayo sa no contact rules, so hindi na bago sa inyo kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng no contact. Pero gusto ko lang i-emphasize na kung gusto mo ma-miss ka ng ex mo, ito yung pinakasangkap or ito yung pinakakape ng kape mo. Diba pag magtitimpla ka ng kape, meron yung cream, meron yung gatas, meron yung asukal, kape yung main thing. So same thing din, kung gusto mo ma-miss ka ng ex mo, ang kailangan mangyari is masabik at ma-miss ka niya ng sobra sa pamamagitan ng no contact. So kung hindi ka gagamit ng no contact, paano kanya may miss, diba? So that's a basic and simple logic. Pero syempre, hindi naman no contact ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Pero sinabi ko lang na yun ang pinaka-main formula if you want to get your ex back or para mag-crawl back siya sa'yo at ma-miss ka niya. So, itong bagay na to is a protocol thing. Hindi to technique, hindi to strategy. Kailangan mo lang gawin is mag-no contact ka at mag-commit ka. Magbigay ka ng space at huwag ka manggulo, huwag ka mangulit. Ang kailangan mo lang maintindihan ngayon is kung ano nga ba ang mga gagawin mo during no contact. So, malamang sa malamang may mga nakapagsabi na sa'yo na ang dapat mo lang gawin during no contact is mag-deactivate ng Facebook account. That's a bad decision to do. Kasi kung mag-deactivate ka ng Facebook account, sobrang uso na ngayon yan. Kapag daw broken ng tao, nag-deactivate siya ng account. So, kapag nag-deactivate ka ng account, parang sinasabi mo lang na broken-hearted ka. Noong unang panahon, back then, noong mga 2014, 15, 16, pwede pa yung ganun eh. Pero dahil sa sobrang laganap na ng social media at sobrang easy to get na, nandun na tayo to the point na hindi na applicable at hindi na timely manner. At hindi na timely manner ang gagawin mo kung mag-deactivate ka lang ng account para ma-miss ka niya o para magpa-misteryoso ka. Hindi na yan uso ngayon. Ang ginagawa mo lang is you are just showing sa mundo na broken-hearted ka. So, ang radio silence, hindi na siya meta, hindi na siya applicable, at hindi na siya dapat pang gamitin pa. You need to believe me dahil lahat ng mga kliyente ko nag-deactivate ng account once na broken sila. And wala akong in-advise na gawin nila yun, but they are still doing that. Nakakala nila is magkakaroon ng magandang epekto, but they are actually destroying and ruining the situation more and more. Lalo lang nilang sinisira kung ano meron sila ngayon. You can see that on Facebook, something like that. Kahit mga hindi broken, alam nila. Kahit yung mga hindi broken-hearted, yung mga norms lang na mahilig mag-Facebook, mag-Instagram, or mag-social media, alam nila na kahit na kapag nag-deactivate ng account ng isang tao, broken siguro yan. Yun yung conclusion nila. So, wala nang dahilan para mag-deactivate ka ng account. And now, what the thing that you can do is just to, for me, there are two choices na pwede mong gawin. Number one, huwag kang mag-post ng anything. Or number two, tuloy-tuloy ka lang sa pagpo-post na hindi na sana related sa love story ninyong dalawa or tungkol sa mga hugot-hugot lines pa. You can still do that on social media account. Example, you are going to open your Facebook right now and you found something like mga nakakatawang memes, then go ahead. If you're a woman, especially if you're a woman, then share it. Kung nakakita ka ng mga donuts or ng mga coffee or the thing na mga Instagram posts, something like that, yeah, you can still post it. The thing is, huwag ka lang masyadong mahugot sa buhay, yung ipopost mo na naman yung quote na quote ni ganyan dahil nga meron kang hugot. I think it's best na i-show mo sa ex mo na you are still strong during the day na wala siya sa buhay mo. Kaya just do your thing. Huwag ka masyadong obvious na sobrang saya mo, kunyari ganun. I don't think na kailangan mong i-obvious yun dahil obvious naman kapag ganun ang ginawa mo. Obvious lang na nagpapapansin ka. So just do the same thing. Just be neutral. Huwag kang magpakita ng kahit anong ka-OA yan. Just post what you wanted to post. Especially if you're a woman. And if you're a man, so just control posting. So sobrang kakapost mo, kalalaki mo tao, baka akala nila bakla ka. Okay? So do not overdo it. So, that's the social media thing to do if you want your ex to miss you. Ang deactivation ng account is hindi na siya applicable right now. So the no contact rule and this thing might help you at all. And the number 3, the best thing that you can do is just to focus on yourself for self-improvement and development. So kill the lazy side of your life. Meron tayong lazy style sa buhay natin na itong part na to, sobrang tamad natin mag-improve, sobrang tamad natin gawin to, sobrang tamad natin lumabas sa comfort zone. And that is why what I want to tell you right now, you need to kill that laziness o patayin mo yung katamaran na yan at lumabas ka na sa comfort zone mo. Embrace your new lifestyle. Kumbaga, yung mga dati mong hindi nagagawa na alam mong mahirap is gawin mo na ngayon. I think hindi naman mahirap yun. Tamad ka lang talaga dati. Kaya there's no improvement na nangyayari sa'yo. So just embrace changes and just do your thing and just, improve your life. And you can do that by just changing your lifestyle and your daily habit. Alam mo yun? And kapag ginawa mo yung mga yun, magiging malaking tulong yun to develop yourself and to focus on yourself. And it feels like a magic na mag-work bigla na bigla ka mamimiss na sobra ng ex mo. Because you are on the right path, diba? So something like that. And anyways, if you are still thinking if there's still a chance sa relationship nyo, just give us a message. So let's have one-on-one coaching. Okay? Thanks for watching.